Hey guys, alright, this one's a bit of a weird one. This is up in Colindale, used by Hendon whenever they start their test. And there's a roundabout at the end of the road, and the student's going to be turning right, fourth exit. If you kind of have a look at the sat nav, it's kind of just showing you, if you can see it, you're going to go, if I zoom in a bit more, that you're going to go all the way around. Okay, so it's like that all the way and come back. Okay, and it says right fourth exit on the voice. Okay, so students coming along, let me play the video, and then you'll be coming along here. Now I'm just going to pause it in a second, and hopefully you'll see a few signs. I've done this sort of video before where students made a similar error before, but it's been quite a while ago. Anyway, one arrows here telling you it's one way. Okay, and these giveaway markings are just for the cars coming from this direction, so they'll wait for you. So we're going to go all the way to the end, and if you are going right, fourth exit, you have to stay on the right, compulsory. I mean, sounds obvious, but now you can see there are two lanes here. Okay, so now the student should be moving over to this lane here, okay, to go right all the way around. All right, so there are no road markings, so if you were to go straight ahead, generally this one is for straight and left, and then you could get away with a straight here and a right, but you know, I never really advise using the right lane for going straight, but that's if there's no road markings. But anyways, so the student is now in this lane. Now, one of the tips I was just mentioning to someone on YouTube, just commenting, I was like, if you're in the wrong lane for anything and you realize that you're in the wrong lane, change the route. So from here, students should have basically, if I just press play now, so we'll come around, they've positioned themselves perfectly for this lane, but they should now go either left into that exit there, or straight ahead, second exit where all those cars are going. But what the student ends up doing is comes up behind this car, goes a little bit further, and then cuts across into the lane where they shouldn't have done that. So I'll let it play now, and then hopefully you guys can see. It's a real shame because the rest of the drive was perfect. So there you go, they're following it around, they're coming all the way around here, and you can see it's a lot of traffic. Forgot what time the test was. It's 8:20 in the morning, so you can see there's loads of traffic here. I'll zoom out a little, and now the student's going to end up going into this lane there, and that's what they shouldn't have done. They should have just stayed there, changed the route, and gone behind that red car somewhere. And instead they've cut across, and the examiner wasn't too pleased about that. There might have been a car behind. I haven't seen the video fully, but you can't be doing this, especially when it's so busy as well. And that's all it was, really. Such a simple error, a real shame. Just get your position sorted or change the route if you have to. Very important.